Here is the classic definition routine by Vince Gironda. This routine of Vince's can be considered as one of the last classic definition routines, since Vince himself was one of the last classic physique builders. Now, it should be mentioned that Vince, even with this natural method, took definition to an extreme in the eyes of the pre-roid Golden Age judges, who were not impressed by the cadaver look. This is why, on some occasions, he didn't place higher in physique competitions. Nevertheless, his method is very effective and it is easy enough to stop well before one looks like a cadaver. His method, of course, includes an exercise routine and his classic maximum definition diet. The exercise routine was a 6-day-a-week split, doing upper body on 3 days, lower body on 3 days and resting for 1 day. Upper body exercises: EG, M, W, F, 1. Wide parallel dips, with hands 32 apart, chin on chest, feet under face. 2. Seated rows. 3. Biceps creature curls, with wide grip and elbows close. 4. Triceps overhead pull. 5. Seated dumbbell lateral raise. 6. Wrist curls, with rolling bar to fingertips. Lower body exercises and abs. For example, T, Th, Sa, 1. 1 stroke 4 sit-up or roll, essentially ab crunches. Superset with following exercise: 2 stiff leg raise. 3. Hack slides, up on toes with heels touching and knees 20 apart. 4. Donkey raise, with knees slightly unlocked and toes on 4 block. The rep scheme was as follows. First 3 weeks do 8 sets of 8 reps. Next 3 weeks do 6 sets of 6 reps. Last 3 weeks do 4 sets of 12 reps. The only exception is calves, for which you always do 20 reps per set. This was a 12-week course. Presumably there was a week layoff after each training period of 3 weeks. Vince liked to train for 21 days, then take 7 days off. So these instructions fit that pattern. Between sets, Vince prescribed hyperventilating, or taking 5 to 10 deep breaths. Of course, Vince had special instructions for each of his exercises. So to really understand the routine, you can still purchase a copy of Vince's original booklet. Now, Vince stated very clearly that he felt that gaining definition was 85% nutrition. So that tells you the importance of his maximum definition diet that he recommended to go along with his exercise routine. The diet is a zero-carb diet where you have a total carb meal every 72 hours or for 5 days, in order to restore the glycogen in your system and muscles. The details of the diet are spelled out in his booklet, but the general idea is this. Breakfast: eggs and meat, fish, fowl only, no limit. Lunch: eggs and meat, fish, fowl only, no limit. Dinner: same as breakfast and lunch. Note: in one version of this diet, Vince allowed a tossed green salad with oil and vinegar dressing with dinner. Carb meal every 72 hours. Use butter and cream. This is the only dairy products allowed. Supplements: for example, liver tablets, kelp tablets, amino acids, enzyme tablets, vitamin and mineral tablets, glandulars, wheat germ oil every meal, arginine, ornithine, etc. See Vince's booklet for details. He stressed the importance of taking calcium since it will counteract the nervousness that the high-protein diet will cause. In any case, there you are. One of the last methods of gaining classic definition from one of the last true representatives of the pre-roid Golden Age. Vince's ideas probably represent the high point in terms of the pre-roid Golden Age supplement methods. This routine and diet will definitely work. It is really for the advanced trainer and requires major discipline. Zero-carb diets are not easy to follow, but they sure burn fat quickly and allow you to retain more muscle mass. If you plan to try out Vince's routine, we recommend getting the original full course as indicated above.